There's nothing like a day at the beach. How about playing a game of fruit guessing? I'll describe 5 fruits and you'll have to guess them. You get 3 hints per fruit. Are you in? Cool. You may want to pause the video before you hear my answer. This will give you some more time to find the correct fruit. Okay, let's begin with fruit number 1. It's curved, yellow, and the minions love it. Yes, it's a banana. Number 2. It's yellow too, pretty round, and really sour. You got it! It's a lemon! Fruit number 3. This one is really big and heavy, and it's green on the outside and red on the inside. Tough one, huh? Bingo! It's a watermelon. And here's number 4. They're small and round, and you use them to make wine. Not that difficult, huh? Especially the wine part. Yes, they are great. And the last one, it's about the size of a lemon. The outside is brown and looks hairy, while the inside is mostly green. And the same word also describes a bird from New Zealand. Did you get it? Yay! It's a kiwi. Which fruit do you like best? My favorite one are the grapes. I love them, especially when they're sort of sugary, when they're so sweet. I once gave Simon a lemon. He didn't really like it. Blah. Did you guess all 5 fruits correctly? Of course you did. Okay, that's the end of this video. Be sure to come back next week for another one. Until then, don't forget to like this one and subscribe to our channel. See you. I'm gonna stay a little longer and count the crabs. Bye.